Ready, set, lose. 1 pound a day. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey? Are you ready to say goodbye to stubborn fat? Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a new you. Want to see results fast? We've got you covered. With dedication and the right plan, you can achieve your goals. This guide will show you how to safely lose 1 pound of fat every single day. Follow our expert advice on diet and exercise. It's easier than you think. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results. Get ready to transform your body and your life. Let's do this together. Join a community of like-minded individuals. Losing weight is about making smart choices. Choose nutritious foods and stay active. It's about finding a sustainable plan that works for you. Personalize your journey to fit your lifestyle. This guide will give you the tools you need to succeed. Remember, you're worth it. Stay motivated and keep track of your progress. Calorie deficit, your secret weapon to fat loss. Want to lose weight? It all comes down to calories in versus calories out. This is called a calorie deficit. When you burn more calories than you consume, your body starts burning fat for fuel. It's simple science. To create a calorie deficit, you need to eat less and move more. Don't worry, it's not about starving yourself. It's about making healthier choices. Choose nutrient-rich foods that keep you full and energized. Sweat it out, your ultimate workout plan. Get ready to transform your body and mind with this comprehensive guide. Ready to torch calories, build lean muscle, and boost your overall fitness? This plan is designed for you. This workout plan will get you there. It's time to push your limits and see real results. We'll focus on high-intensity interval training, strength training, and cardio. Get ready to sweat and feel the burn. HIIT. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by short rest periods. Perfect for burning fat and improving endurance. Think burpees, jump squats, and mountain climbers. These exercises will challenge your body and keep your heart rate up. Strength training. Lift weights to build muscle and boost your metabolism. It's essential for a toned and strong physique. Focus on compound exercises like squats, which work multiple muscle groups at once. Lunges and push-ups. These moves will enhance your strength and stability. Cardio. Get your heart rate up with activities like running, which is great for cardiovascular health, swimming, which provides a full-body workout, or dancing, which is fun and effective. Aim for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Section 4. Fuel your body. What to eat to lose weight. In this section, we will explore the best foods to help you shed those extra pounds while keeping your body nourished and energized. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. What you eat matters. It's crucial to make mindful choices about your food intake. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Protein. Chicken, fish, and other lean meats are excellent sources of protein. Beans, lentils, tofu. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu are also great options. Protein keeps you full and helps build muscle. Healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and seeds are fantastic sources of healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, olive oil. Don't fear healthy fats. They are vital for your body's functions. They're essential for hormone production and satiety. Complex carbs. Brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes are excellent choices. Quinoa, sweet potatoes, oats. These complex carbs provide sustained energy throughout the day. Choose complex carbs over refined carbs for sustained energy. Whole grains like oats and whole grain bread are better options. Fruits and veggies. Load up on colorful fruits and veggies for vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These are essential for a balanced diet and help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Section 5. Beyond the gym. Staying active and hydrated. Weight loss isn't just about hitting the gym, it's about being active throughout the day. Take the stairs, walk the dog, dance in your living room, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Water helps flush out toxins, boosts your metabolism, and keeps you feeling full. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Section 6. Rest, recover, recharge. Sleep, stress, and weight loss. Believe it or not, sleep and stress play a huge role in weight loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Manage stress with yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Remember, consistency is key. Make small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, and you'll see amazing results. You've got this.